Namar makuat kalat kan long tu be. Suam kan niap.
Jylliew pop sudah. Kimdan hi ka boarding ban ai yangi.
Chuang mem ta. Ngali ngatieng bat mai cika bodum. Ban ngam kuat ban niap bak cing dum.
Ndam la apo Jylliew pat. Kadum hiam.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission nakamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Ka Election Commission of India haka khatsau tarek ujamang arjar punrio kala penbanaban pensdang no yaka special intensive revision haki khanru tuligi jalla but haki lai tuligi union territories but hakani jalla Meghalaya on Sdang nadu ka laipau tarek Jylliew arjar punrio Bon ki Mynder ki badon ya ki Kyrteng thok kin Shah Weng Naka Electoral role kumba kalong sa kiwe ki jalla Haka jingpelong ya ka special intensive revision haka phase 3 lani ka wat ka balai pala lai point khandai pusau lak ngon ki boot level officer ken salid na ka we thliwieng sa ka we pat ka thliwieng jong ki lai phunri point nyau phulai klur ngon ki nok tha boot ban sanran lang da ki lai point sau phu arngot ki boot level agent bala thung de ki sengsan parthai haka por bala Sdang ya ka jinglom Kyrteng Ka Election Commission of India kala karpad ye ki sengsan parthai banthung ye ki booth level agent na manla ki polling booth kanang ban pentikna ba ka jingpelong ye ka special intensive revision kanlong ka bayad bed bat ka bakhoj basuba ha Meghalaya ka Election Commission of India kalathung lahajar sanspa sanphoingot ki booth level officer katba ka jinglom Kyrteng namala ki thliwieng kan Sdang nadu ka laipho tarek Jylliew arjar phunriu bat kan kut hadu ka arphundai tarek naitung arjar phunriu ka jingpen menapat ba ya ka draft electoral roll kan long ha ka santarek unailar arjar phunriu katba nadu ka santarek unailar arjar phunriu hadu ka sautarek unailur arjar phunriu on ailad ye ki paj ban thep ye ki jing ujor bat ki jingkam Kyrteng bat ka jingpen menapat ba ya ka electoral roll ka bakhadu kan long ha ka nyau tarek urisau arjar phunriu
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEM's bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEM's app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEM's, our ride, our future.